So week 2 of Roll Coliseum is finally here, and I'm not gonna lie, this game mode is probably one of the most satisfying things Kabam has added in a long time. Like seriously, the damage numbers, the health bars melting, the crazy ramp-ups, it just feels so good to play. That's why the community instantly connected with it. Easy big numbers, fast fights, pure satisfaction. This is the kind of stuff MCOC player actually enjoys. Honestly, Coliseum in general has been a massive W for the game. Rare Kabam experiment that actually got hit. Now, okay, Alliance Coliseum, yeah, I still don't know about that personally. But Roll Coliseum, this one is different. This mode basically gives you that MCOC dopamine rush. You jump in, start ramping up, and suddenly your champions are dropping insane damage numbers that normally takes forever to build up. And because of that, a lot of ramp-up champions suddenly feel way more valuable now. It actually reminds me of when Battlegrounds first launched. Back then, everyone was excited. People were experimenting, learning the meta, investing into the champions, because the game mode was fun. But now, I feel like Battlegrounds slowly become exhausting for a lot of players, because it's no longer just a fun optional mode. Kabam tied way too many important rewards and progression pieces into it. Like if there's a big event, special currency, or even something important like Stellar Fort Champion pieces, you're basically forced to grind Battlegrounds whether you enjoy it or not. That's a huge difference between people want to play your game mode and people are forced to play your game mode. Because once a fun mode starts feeling like a job, people stop enjoying it. And that's exactly what happened for a lot of players with Battlegrounds. Games are supposed to be fun, right? And that's why I'm making this video, because I genuinely love Roll Coliseum right now. The satisfaction is insane. The gameplay feels refreshing. And honestly, this is some of the most fun time I've had in MCOC recently. But at the same time, I'm also scared. Kabam might eventually overcomplicate it with unnecessary experiments, changes, or forced grinding systems. Because right now, this mode works because it's simple, satisfying, and most importantly, it's fun. And I really hope that Kabam understands this before they accidentally ruin another game mode that community actually loves. So yeah, that's just my opinion on this one. I would love to know your opinion in the comment section. I will read every comment. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.